In Antarctica, the research team is extracting ice core samples from beneath several meters of ice to conduct studies. Suddenly, several cracks appeared on the ice shelf and spread rapidly. Before the man could react, the ice shelf suddenly collapsed. At the critical moment, Jack rushed out and pulled him to safety. Determined to recover the important research samples, Jack crossed the gap and safely jumped back. Only then did they realize the entire ice shelf had broken apart. Meanwhile, at the British Ocean Monitoring Station, data showed that the surface temperature of the warm current was gradually dropping. Professor Hans, the head of the station, immediately called top climate scientist Jack. The two had met at a UN climate conference and hit it off immediately. At that time, Jack had been speaking on stage. Using the data he had gathered and referencing the previous breakage of the Antarctic ice shelf, Jack predicted that global warming would directly impact the North Atlantic drift, and once the warm current stopped, a series of extreme weather events would follow. However, such statements did not attract the attention of key figures, including the US Vice President. He believed that climate chaos was a problem for the future, while the fragile economy was the issue of the present. But just a week later, the Vice President's views were overturned by reality. In Tokyo, Japan, hailstones the size of bowls fell from the sky, killing many people on the streets. In Los Angeles, flocks of birds flew in the same direction as if fleeing for their lives. Wolves in a nearby park howled relentlessly, desperately trying to break through their iron cages and escape. Then came 3 massive tornadoes that wreaked havoc across the city, merging into an even larger tornado as they moved closer together. Everywhere they passed, everything turned into ruins. According to Jack's calculations, in the next 6 weeks, the entire northern hemisphere would enter an ice age.